Alan chances. Me, I don't have anything against Alan. And you were there. I said, sir, I have made my choice. My choice is to support Bawumia. If Bawumia doesn't win the primaries and you win, then you are an MPP candidate. I will campaign every day for you, Alan. Should we go today? Now say Kennedy Japan Baby Winia. I will campaign for Kennedy till Kennedy wins. Say na Bawumia, yeah, I will still stick with Bawumia because mine is to make sure say Ghana is moving. And there's a Tremanteba be president, Honorable Hobson. Now you found say operations manager at the presidency. Now we nyeska be brave, we nye be bia contract bia we need to be bia onya ho kakra we. Na ukroma TV, be bia wufi. Wo mu ni hospital papa, wa mobra. Utie. Se wo utumi sisi mansions wo wekura ho wonyeska e de sisi mansions wo wekura ho. Utie. Udi sisi mansions na say corona wo si mu no e kwan ye wo ho enye papa o mansion e yenkura sedan. Please let us rise above that. Like I always say, I'm like Obinim. Fake news, I'm above to that. Fake news, I'm above to that. I love you, sir. I respect you, sir. But I will not respect foolishness. Now, they are all no. Me say me she. Say Alan and Winia, I'm expecting your resignation letter from MPP. Because men to say, honorable. Unsem ni bu wa woka. Eya na me dwene wa me say, na papa ya dan ede nkwa na adan ede na ede ma na ede na asi. You don't do that. You don't do that. When the thing was hard, when NPP couldn't stand, Alan Tremanti left us. So should we also come in and talk about the things Alan Tremanti did wrong? Should we come and tell Ghanaians who leaked that to go and tell Sebi and this force and Nana Kufuor no movie? All those publications came from Alan's camp because of primary Sinti. Kufuor ye to trust them, Kufuor ye gidi or no movie near there. That was you, Alan Tremanti, your camp that brought those things out. So should we also go and sit on social media and be talking about the negatives of Alan Tremanti? No. That Ben who say me betina ha me bot Tremanti echida. Obin can't tell me. But he's not my choice. My choice is His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia next to lead. Inshallah, Nyaminti. But I will not come and sit here and bash Kennedy. Because I always say, we are the same party. When we fight and we expose ourselves, we are only giving arsenals to the negative people who never built Ghana after 29 years to come to power to destroy us again. We need to be serious. Me say, the me who, the me feely, and near my doctor no. Me dear, ye the shen and sa, it is not leading you anywhere. Food soldiers in the deal, yendi dia ne bang. Honorable Hobson, Diane bang, a chin say, yeah, quine. Honorable Hobson, Diane bang, a chin say, yeah, hospitals, I'm in Yanka, I be a man, yafo. Hobson, when the car said, Chairman, what would you say? You know the party than I know the party. Honorable Hobson, if you are watching me, I want you to come. Tell us which stanza of the party said, say, obey your party food soldier, party in the You need to stop it. You are taking it too far. It is not helping nobody, Honorable Hobson. For now, you might think, say, you are working Alan, but say, me pese Alan be your president. Ya, ude denen ko baby au. Honorable Hobson, listen to me and listen to me carefully. You are my senior man. I respect and love you and your family so much. I say it all the time. Where I have to defend you, I will defend you. But when you goof, I will show you you have goofed, my boss. You know me. You are goofing. Honorable Hobson, you are goofing. We join political parties because of the ideology they have. It's not because we joined it because they want to feed us. In any case, Honorable Hobson, are you telling me, say, undidi? Are you going to tell Ghanaians to say MPP, undidi, na undidi, MPP, ba, bem, undidi? You need to cut it out. You go and sit on radio to defend the party, then you go on the other side and bastardize the party. So what do you want people to believe? Hopes and tell us. Ukrona, you want people to vote for MPP. Ukrona also say MPP. And they say what you will listen to. Come on. Honorable. Me honorable mi besia na Ghana no onye hia ni o. Utie. Honorable hopes na doya me besia no Ghana no onye hia ni. And on sresre unless said they are not me huni ni na artificial. But it can't be artificial like that. Onyamobo. Stop crying the same advice. I'm giving you that same advice. Stop crying more than the bereaved. Now, what maybe? Party inti when you maybe akuko ye. Sa empty threat ka cry. Then you put your own party into ditch. Oh, the GDA. Say nyanko pompe. Sa lanchiremante. Ebeye leader. No matter what campaign you do, no matter what boka you do, he will not become no president. So wake up. Wake up. NDC for vote for I am a president 29 years. And your president keku. Omo mama mu MPC a. Utie. Omo sanya die, womo sanya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, NDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the voter region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop voter region. Now John Mahama is promising voter region people that, oh, this time when I come, I will pay attention to voter region. Now men come free voter. Now imagine here Juma. And come Okasa we ye na maje Mike ni mabisa say, can you account for us that Keta Sea defense money President Kufuor went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta? Please, can you account for that money? Me say me come here this near. And come bisa Mahama say, aden ye this sikama say, for be sea defense so boy ye ho ban. Nensio no yiria embechi amfa ye so amfa ye njapade amfa ye noba ye amfa ye niama. But NDC fu egu voter region etna ase ena papa na ye this man say onfa nye sea defense na to yire nchemo ete sa ntomo no okoto mo 10 bucks. And control local rice kura nanka local producers no enyes kadebi okoto long grain rice perfume rice 10 bucks oto esichire 10 bucks nkatie 10 bucks ye atoko esam kakra en ye sardine box 20 en ye ayi omeka ne say sheto omde gu jelly kan mu en ye de gare en also no botton no be 10 because ye hu se mo no gele ne fata mo gele soakings no efata mu nti no ye de emo 10 bucks pe gele no ye de be 100 bucks na ba ye mu fa bi nkoka ayini. After this man spent your money when you were in need, when the water has taken your property, he came there, brought these items, which is a chicken feed to John Dramani Mahama. Compared to the money he has, what he brought there, chicken feed. Now man who the before me call horse Adan said, dear near the ma ye di you. And Mahama, welcome, Wezolo, Iwezo, Iwezolo, and Mahama Wezolo, Mahama Wezolo, Egba, Nam says, ah. And mo back, who Egba. Hey, Ghana. Ha! You're serious in Ghana. Aqua way out Bokrono and to say, I'm a mo and mo deja, Tessa, who charge a draw. Okofa gele 10 bucks 20 bucks na emo 10 bucks buy ya mujina ho akwosisa hwani afita be gina say Mahama Wezolo Iwezolo egba am hwemo sa na mo se no ano no sa voter ho ne de agi se nyame aba mutie voter region ho no today I'm saying it on authority me, and I have no vendetta against voters. For the people who know where I grew up, you know voters are my people, and this is a fact. But say what na ho kwesi pi na obi a ono sika na ese so de bon ho ban